This is PayPal on the 5-minute time frame. Here are your price targets for Wednesday. We ended the day at $64, up 8.59%. Congratulations if you've made some money off of this ticker. The day's low, $62.43. The day's high, $65.06. The 1-year price target on PayPal is now $77.09, which represents a 20% return from where we are. And this is where we are. To the north side takes us to 2 standard deviations and 1 level of resistance and a potential take profit area at 65.82. Above that at 3 standard deviations, 67.23 and 68.62. To the south side, VWAP is at 63.72 in the blue line. The middle of the trend and the baseline and another level of support, 62.99, 60.13, 58.77, and 57.33. We have a gap to the south side that has yet to be filled. That will take us down to roughly $59.01. And we are in an upward channel, moving farther away from this as of this moment. This gap has closed to the south side, taking us down to 59.04, and then we went lower just a little bit, and then back up to resistance for a sell-off. And this gap closed out on the 25th, taking us down to 57.84. And there are many other gaps that have closed out. I have not marked out all of these gaps yet, so I need to clean up my chart. This one closed. Think of gaps as an opportunity. For a swing trade, which I like to do. And then let me just clean up this one. Ignore the pink lines and the green lines. Those are my previous buy and sell lines there. And those are no longer in play. And neither is this gap to the south side. Done. Done. And I will stop here. That took us down to 63.01 and closed out on the 22nd of May. Now I will flip this very quickly over to, the daily. Oh, and we've got a gap down here too. So many gaps if you take a look in the big picture. And on the daily, it looks like we're still going down, but slightly less of a dramatic fall as we've seen in the past. You can see this is slowly going sideways and hopefully correct itself and go up. All right, we are at $64 right here. And on the daily, the next target, here's the middle of the trend. 2 standard deviations will take us to roughly $69.36. And I mentioned 77 is the next target. So, well, the 1-year price target, and that will be right here. If 78.18 would take us to 4 standard deviations and then wipe this out. And to the south side, back at the middle of the trend, would take us to roughly $60.99. And then watch out for these gaps to the south side, still in play. And that is a look at PayPal. Have a great trading day.